Vapor Degreaser Spray Manifold. Demonstration and benefits. Spray manifolds enhance part cleaning. Spray manifolds positioned under the primary refrigeration systems ensure solvent containment. The manifolds are activated by a foot pedal or an on-off switch at the control panel. They can also be turned on automatically as part of the pre-programmed basket handling system recipes. Spray manifolds move solvent completely over the entire part surface. The spray pattern is overlapping for comprehensive cleaning. Note that the parts are processed below the primary refrigeration coil for solvent containment. Ultras have a high volume capacity spray tank engineered to ensure solvent is available for complete spray cleaning at every cycle. Spray parts are completely cleaned and dried. Ultras have a primary and secondary refrigeration system for exceptional solvent containment. Give us a call. Our vapor degreasing experts are ready to help.